everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a wicked cool 1968 Plymouth Roadrunner. It is a true RM Roadrunner, guys. Actually got this car from a gentleman over the years, I probably bought 6 or 7 cars from this gentleman. He is a retired body man, Mopar guy that kind of likes to putz around in his garage, and he'll build a car, and when he gets it done, I'm the one he comes to. So, good looking car. This is the factory color combination. It is RR1, which is your burgundy metallic. It's got the factory black interior. If I remember, he said he's actually owned this car for about 20 years. And I think he said he was actually doing it for a buddy of his. Well, I don't think the buddy could kind of come up with the money, so I ended up buying it from him. But good car. Again, it is a true RM Roadrunner VIN. It has a 68 383 in it. Of course, they didn't have VINs on the blocks, but it is a date code correct car. It has 40 miles on it. He put 30 miles on it, he said, and then we put about 10 miles on it here. So it is a fresh resto. Bumpers look new. Looks like this front grille is original. Paint slick. If I remember correctly, he said he actually painted this car about 4 or 5 years ago. So there's a couple little things you can kind of pick at, but he actually just got the car together. Yeah, it looks like it's got new front bumper. Again, slick burgundy metallic. I love the color combo on the car. This is a great looking car, and again, it is a factory color. Car drove out real good, nice and tight. It's all satin black underneath. Normally he actually does in body color. Like I said, I think he was actually doing this car for a buddy of his. And trim pieces popped up a little bit. See if we can check on that. You can see it's got a pretty metallic paint in there. This stuff looks original. You can pick it in a little bit. Nice and straight. BF Goodrich Radial T's with chrome Magnums. It's got a good sound in 383, and it's got a Pypes, I think it's an X-Pipe dual exhaust on it. Good sound. Looks like a new rear bumper. Of course, it's got the correct chrome rear tips. I love the 68 marker lights. Good looking car. Looks like a little wax in there. Still got the stock front drum brakes. Again, this is a 68 block. Brand new Holley 4-barrel on it. Stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering. It's got the manual drum brakes on it. They have upgraded it to electronic ignition. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood here. Factory Mopar radiator. The original fender tag is still on there. Drove really good. Great sound. I have the receipts for the engine. It's got a nice little cam in it. Good looking car. I love this color. A-pillar chrome is pretty doggone nice. Couple little things you can pick at. Chrome mirror. Looks like the door handles are new. A little dust in there, but door seams are nice and clean. I think he said the door pads are original. You can pick at those. New carpet, new seat covers. Looks like he's replaced the sill plates too. Looks like some new door rubbers. Looks like it's got the correct seat belts in it. Factory bench seat. Pretty much bone stock on the dash. It's got some aftermarket gauges underneath. I think headliner looks good. It's fuel gauge and amp gauge work up there showing 36,000. I'm sure that's 136. Temp gauge and oil pressure actually down there. Radio powered up, didn't come on. Blower motor worked. 727 Torqueflite automatic trans, that is fresh. He actually bought that, he said, and put that in there. So that's not going to be original to the car. 8 3/4, 323 sure grip in the rear. Jack with spare is in the trunk here. Looks like it's the original trunk pan. Looks like it's got the original insulation in there on the quarters too. Car's all satin black underneath. Like I say, normally he actually does it with body color. But, this one's all done in satin black underneath. Very nice. Detailed up real nice underneath. So fresh resto, I'm sure there's going to be some shakedown on it, guys. Yeah, you kind of picked that door pad there too. So, hand in the camera here. Door seams are nice and clean. Yeah, it looks like it's got the original door pads on it. The window fuzzies. Seats look good. So I think he recovered those, refoamed this seat. Dash looks good. I know those aftermarket gauges under there work. AM radio powered. I couldn't get a station. And it looks like it's got new door handles. A-pillar chrome is pretty doggone nice. Yeah, there's a ton of keys to this car. Nasty little cam, guys. It sounds good. Yeah, the radio power, I couldn't get a station on, but it definitely powers up. I know that fuel gauge works because I put it, it was low on gas, and I put it, I know it's got about a half tank of gas in it, so I'll check that. Good sound. Looks like we got one reverse light, looks like this right side's out, we'll check that. Car hits, man. Again, good oil pressure. Oh, you got it. Radio's working. Okay, I couldn't get a station in. Temp gauge definitely works down there. Everything opens and closes nice. Oh, hold on, turn it back on, Nathan. Yeah, there you go. Yep. Good. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Okay, make sure you keep track of our inventory at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. definitely check out our YouTube page. You can do that by click a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Sorry, we got people coming in here. Nasty little cam, boy. Like I say, the car hit the road really good, nice and tight.